Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I should welcome myself back to the channel. It's been a long while since I last posted, but now I'm back. I just took some time off because I was just doing life, if I'm being honest, just doing the family, the kids, and working on myself and just constantly growing myself so I'm in a better position to offer advice and offer encouragement. So, yes, I am back and I'm back with some great content. I have a lot of new stuff to talk to you guys about, and I'm so excited about it because I've been saying to myself for ages, I need to get back to my YouTube channel. I need to get back to my YouTube channel, and now I'm back. So I don't know if anybody's out there that's been saying to themselves they need to do something, and then you finally do it. It's literally the best feeling ever. So yeah, looking forward to sharing a lot of personal development stuff with you guys as well. Just my personal growth, my journey. Just to introduce myself or reintroduce myself, some new followers who may not know. My name is Agnes Wonder. I'm a personal development coach, author of a number one best-selling book, Addicted to Being Broke. Let's talk about eradicating the poverty mindset. And I'm also a speaker. I do events as well. I did one last year. Yeah, I did an event last year. It was just a small one. But yeah, I hope to do a lot more of those. I hope to be able to engage with you guys a lot more now. I feel like I've got more time on my hands now as the kids have gotten older. Um, and yeah, and I think the first topic I sort of wanted to talk to you guys about today was about um being able to go past the restrictions in your mind. So I'll give you this story. So I was on my way, on my drive to work. There's width restriction, with restriction. I think that's what it's called. And basically it's just so that big lorries don't go down those residential roads. And my car was in the garage and I was driving a different car. And during the night before I went to bed, I thought, oh my gosh, this car's a bit bigger. Is it going to fit through the width restriction that I need to go through? And it was playing on my mind so much. And I was just like, I'm sure it's going to, Agnes. How about you go to sleep? But anyway, next morning came and I went through the width restriction and it was fine. But what that taught me is how many things do we actually not go through in our lives because of the width restrictions in our minds? It's like, let that sink in for a minute. There's so many things that you might want to do, but you've created your own width restriction in your mind. And because of that reason, you've not done it. So with my example, with driving to work, I had to drive to work the next day. So I had to go and see if it works out or not. But imagine if it's something that you wanted to do, maybe write a book, maybe start a business. You wanted to do it, but there's nothing that's making you have to do it. But you've got a width restriction in your minds that you've said to yourself, oh, maybe I can't do it. Maybe I won't succeed, or maybe I won't fit through that new walk of life that I want to go through. And quick encouragement just to say, do it, because it's only by doing it you'll find out if it's going to work or not. It's only by starting to write that book that you'll find out if writing is for you or not. It's only by starting that business that you'll find out if it is for you or not. It's only by just doing the thing that's pulling you, constantly pulling you, that you'll find out whether it's possible or not. So yeah, I hope this helps somebody. And as I said, I've got loads of videos on this channel. If you need a bit of encouragement, you can literally click on any of them. One thing I would ask is if you can subscribe to the channel and really help me grow this channel, because I really, really want to be able to help more people, and I will be showing up to do just that. So if you've got any questions, if you've got any topics that you love for me to talk about in one of the videos, do drop a comment. And if you get to the end of this video, just, drop an encouraging comment to help me keep going. And I'll see you again on my next video.